Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you the common error above all, the words above all. So you can say this is a grammatical mistake tutorial, or you can say in the other hand the common error. So I gave here three examples to explain. So first example, he likes reading above all novels. Here you can see I used here the word above all novels. So the word above word, the error. Don't use the above all novels. He likes reading especially novel. Especially novels. Don't use the above all, because I wrote here the above all. Above all. Especially, he likes. The correct answer is the he likes reading. Especially, he likes reading especially novels. Not use the he likes reading above all novels. Don't use the above all novels. He likes reading especially novels. So what is the main logic? Above all means most importantly, but he likes reading of above all novels. So novel is not an importance. So if you want to above all meaning, above all meaning especially most important. Most important. So get plenty of sleep, eat lots of good food, and above all try to relax. Above all meaning the most important. So get plenty of sleep, eat lots of good food, and above all try to relax. There are many qualities that made him a great leader. Above all, he had charisma. So let's go to the next example. This year English is above all my most important subject. Most importance above all. Use the above all. This year English is above all. This is incorrect, grammatical mistake. So what is the correct? This year English is for my most important subjects. This year English is for my most important subject. Use for my most. So with the superlative form, the most important, used by the verb. We say again, with the superlative form, the most important, used by the verb. My most important, for my most important. So English is for my most important. The Rioto was by the most important horrific scenes I've ever witnessed. So when you use the most important, the most important, always use by far my most important, so the most important always the by far my most important. So this year English is by far my most important subject. This is the main logic. So the riot was by far the most horrific scene I have ever witnessed. It was by far the most horrific. So let's go the third and last example. Where would you like to go above all? So here I use above all. Like to go, most of all. When you mean where would you like to go, the correct answer is the where would you like to go above all. The correct answer is where would you like to go most of all. This is the correct answer. And what is the logic to use to go most of all? When you means more than anywhere, or more than anything, or more than anyone else, use most of all or the most. Always use when you mean more than, when you mean more than anywhere, anything, anywhere, anything, or anyone else, always use the most of all, or the most. So you can say what worries me most of all is that the car is not roadworthy. The one I like the most was too expensive. This one, this one I like. This one I like the most, too expensive. Here you can see the most, here one I like the most, too expensive. I use the most. This is another example. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new common error. Bye bye.